These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff and it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. All right, and here we go. This is after 2 coats. It's looking really, really good, like new. And don't forget, check out your sponsor. That's where you can score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all butcher block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.